We love TUM Campus Heilbronn.
Yeah, so yesterday we did a case study and I really liked the approach when we took on different perspectives such as marketing, strategy and finance one, and different perspectives show us there's different decision makings that will influence the ending goal. So I find it very valuable.
Yeah, the most special thing which I found in Heilbronn campus was the international exposure. So people are coming here from across countries, like Canada, France. So it's really nice to meet people from different cultures, learning different things. I'm getting to learn a lot of different perspectives, which I didn't know before. So yeah, that's the most special thing. I find that.
So I met a lot of people from different countries or continents, and it was very interesting to see how people see things from their countries, with their cultural background. And we did a lot of activities which discovered a lot of German things, and it was really fun and really interesting as an experience.
So before this, I only studied back home in Serbia and finding it quite interesting here with all the different cultures, different people, different perspectives. So I believe I will apply to my master's degree somewhere abroad, probably here at TUM.
Don't be afraid to go for it. Don't be afraid to raise your hands, ask questions, even if you think you're dumb, and don't be afraid to speak to other people. You'll always find great friends and great opportunities.
So I really encourage people to come and apply to the summer school with HEC and TUM, because we learn fundamental concepts about operation strategy, management, finance, even economics, and we did some kind of simulations on production and case studies. So it's really, really interesting, and we learn a lot of things that you can transfer to an engineering career, a business career, or an entrepreneur journey.